Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will learn what is a search engine. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So our content for today is courtesy by Tech Target, and then the author is Ben Lokiewicz, technical features writer. So what is a search engine? A search engine is a coordinated set of programs that searches for and identifies items in a database that match specified criteria. Search engines are used to access information on the World Wide Web. How do search engines work? Google is the most commonly used internet search engine. Google search takes place in the following three stages. Number one, crawling. Crawlers discover what pages exist on the web. A search engine constantly looks for new and updated pages to add to its list of known pages. This is referred to as URL discovery. Once a page is discovered, the crawler examines its content. The search engine uses an algorithm to choose which pages to crawl and how often. Number two, indexing. After a page is crawled, the textual content is processed, analyzed, and tagged with attributes and metadata that helps the search engine understand what the content is about. This also enables the search engine to weed out duplicate pages and collect signals about the content, such as the country or religion the page is local to, and the usability of the page. Number three, searching and ranking. When a user enters a query, the search engine searches the index for matching pages and returns the results that appear the most relevant on the search engine results page. The search engine ranks content on a number of factors such as authoritativeness of a page, backlinks to the page, and keywords a page contains. Specialized content search engines are more selective about the parts of the web they crawl and index. For example, Creative Commons Search is a search engine for content shared explicitly for reuse under Creative Commons license. This search engine only looks for that specific type of content. Country-specific search engines may prioritize websites presented in the native language of the country over English websites. Individual websites such as large corporate sites may use a search engine to index and retrieve only content from the company site. Some of the major search engine companies license or sell their search engines for use on individual sites. Okay, so this is the end of my report on what is a search engine is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.